Today I'm going to show you a very simple recipe that you can make on those Mondays that you don't feel like cooking. Hi, my name is Emily Wamboi. You can call me Em, and this is Busy at Home. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video, and I want to take this moment to especially thank everybody who has subscribed over the last few weeks. I want to welcome you to the family. Karibu sana. And if you're watching this video and you haven't already subscribed, hey, consider subscribing to this channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a one-pot pasta. Everything is in one dish. So welcome, and let's get cooking. So on a pan on high heat, I'm going to heat about 3 tablespoons of oil, and I'm going to add the onion. Ooh. Always add a little bit of salt with every ingredient that you add into your pan, and let that fry until soft and a bit translucent. Once the onions are done, then add some garlic and stir. Once you can smell the flavor on the garlic, it's time to add the meat. Right now what you're going to add is the pasta. I'm going to use just a half a pack, which is about 250 grams. That's enough to feed 4 people. Add some salt, milk, and water. So make sure that your pasta is completely submerged. You're going to add more water than you think you need. And on top of this, I'm going to add some black pepper, a stock cube, bay leaf, and some paprika. Just a little bit of salt, and stir. Just cover and let it come to a boil. Now I'm going to add my veggies, the zucchini, then add your peppers. So I'm going to simmer this for about just 1 other minute. Top it with some spring onion. Oh, look at that, that looks so delicious.